Hello everybody, another range test for Nerf Gun Reviewer 331. This is the Nerf Element Icon series, EX-6. So the way this is going to work is I think 5 of these Alpha Strike darts and 1 actual Icon dart, so I'll save that one for last. So the way that it works is I'm going to do 3 angled, 3 leveled, and see which one has the best. First shot, minimum, first shot, leveled. Not bad. Second shot, leveled. Third shot, leveled. Ooh, that had a lot of wind. Next shot, first shot, angled. Second shot, angled. Oh, that was a pathetic dart. Last shot, angled. Alright, let's take a look. So based on my recordings, the Nerf Element Icon series, the minimum it can shoot is, the minimum average, I guess, was about 24 feet. That was the weakest. And the most powerful range was, I believe, 81 feet, but that was also angled. So this blaster can reach a pretty good distance. Thanks for watching, guys.